Hello everyone, this is my review of the Beats Solo for wireless Bluetooth on-air headphones, an excellent combination of style, comfort, and performance. The sleek black and gold design adds a touch of luxury, making them perfect for both casual and professional use. The sound quality is outstanding, delivering deep bass and clear audio across all genres of music. The headphones are compatible with both Apple and Android devices, ensuring versatility and seamless connectivity. The Bluetooth connection is stable and pairing is quick and easy. With up to 50 hours of battery life, these headphones are ideal for long listening sessions, commutes, or travel. The on-ear design is comfortable for extended wear, and the controls are intuitive and easy to use. Overall, the Beats Solo for headphones offer a premium listening experience with top-notch sound, great battery life, and a stylish design. Highly recommend them for music lovers and those seeking quality wireless headphones. I hope this review helps.